Welcome to this renovated, sunny, and quiet alcove studio. Move right in. Pleasantly set back from West End Avenue, this quiet, spacious alcove studio faces north and east, offering abundant morning light and attractive city and sky views. The large living room accommodates both dining and relaxing, while the very generous alcove easily fits a queen-size bed and offers a closet. This lovely home also features an attractive, renovated kitchen with dishwasher, as well as a stylish gray ceramic tile bathroom, including a stall shower. 2 enormous walk-in closets, modern wood floors, and a large welcoming foyer complete your new home. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Citarella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. For in addition to wonderful shopping venues and great restaurants, it is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doorman, concierge, handyman, and garage, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, valet cleaners, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. This great home is easily shown by appointment. For more information, contact Deborah Weiner or Dean Feldman with Brown Harris Stevens.